Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a 2x2 to 10x10 Rubik's Cube solve. So I have all of the cubes 2x2 to 10x10 right here, and I'm going to scramble them up, and solve them. And now I need to scramble these cubes up and solve them. Okay, so now I got all the cubes scrambled, 2x2 through 10x10. Okay, and oh no, this is gonna be a really hard challenge to solve. So I am gonna do a time lapse for this. Even though sometimes I just do the full solve, this is gonna be really hard and take a really long time. It'll take at least an hour, maybe more. So, alright, so now I got them all scrambled. Let's get started. Okay, I just finished all the WCA vents, and so that was the easy part. Now I need to move on to the hard part, starting with the 8x8. So, here I go. Uh-oh, this is going to take a lot longer than I thought. And especially when I don't practice the 8x8 very much. Oh boy, I hate this challenge already. It's been 20 minutes and I'm not even halfway done yet. I am up for a challenge, and thanks for picking out the 2x2 to 10x10 Rubik's Cube relay. Okay, finish off a wiper and the 9x9. Oh no! I am just starting. It's been 41 minutes. Okay. Okay, gotta do it. Gotta do it. I just got a pop, and I don't know how I'm going to fix that. That is hard. No! Dang! That is so gonna slow me down. If I can ever fix that pop. Okay. Oh. No, 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 no. 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 Okay. Take the piece out. And set it in there. There. Okay. Oh, what was I working on? Oh. Oh, come on. Okay. This is going to take a while. It's been an hour? An hour? Oh my goodness, well, I'm glad I'm almost done. I'm at the edges on the 10x10. No, double parody. Okay. Done. 1 hour, 10 minutes, 15 seconds. Oh my goodness. Okay, all these cubes. Just one of these, no problem. But all of them at once, a lot of hard work. Believe me. But 13x13 was hard work too. It was probably just as hard as this. And I have 2 videos on solving the 13x13 and 2 videos on solving the 11x11. I also have one where I solved the Rubik's Cube in 6.9 something seconds, 6.949 or something like that. So you can go ahead and check out those videos. Okay, so anyway, that is the end of this video. Thanks for voting to my post that you wanted, whoever did that wanted to do a 2x2 to 10x10 relay. I was waiting for more than one vote, but I didn't want to wait forever, and I didn't want people to be like, why aren't you doing it? We've been waiting forever. So I just went right ahead and did it anyway. Okay, so anyway, that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.